Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. After a quick break for the Holy Week, nagbabalik po ang Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. We are live here at the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex inside the PSC Conference Hall. I'm Randy Calog of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, partner Randy. Good morning, mga taga-PSA at mga ka-PSA. Maraming salamat. We are here at the PSC Media Room for another very interesting discussion, a two-part session for today. So first session natin, bibigay namin sa inyo, and of course, the second session with the future World Boxing Champion. Hope that you're with us through our live streaming sa pamagitan po ng Philippine Sports Writers Association Facebook page on a delayed basis naman sa ating Sports Radio 918. Ako po si Judith Karingan.
At tulad nga nung nasabi ng ating partner, ang first part po natin, we will have this group that advocates better vision in sports. In cooperation po ito with the Philippine Sports Commission. And in the final session, we have this young man get to know more about his plans para sa kanyang pag-akyat, sa kanyang pangarap na maging world champion. And in behalf of our PSC President, Francis Ochoa ng Philippine Daily Inquirer, maraming salamat po sa aming mga sponsors, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Milo Philippines, at Arena Plus.
And yes, to talk about this partnership of the Philippine Sports Commission and the group FDM, Vision Care Research and Training Institute, let's all welcome the members of the board, headed by the chairman, Dr. Tess Yambot, FDM Vision Care Research and Training Institute Chairman. Hello po. We also have Dr. Maris Paredes. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Dean, NU School of Optometry. And then we have also Dr. Marie Chris Lim. Yes, Doctor. Okay. Siya po yung Program Event Director ng isa sa mga project natin. And she's also one of the lecturers sa CEU University. Dr. Aaron Lising. Hi, Doc. Yeah, welcome po. Siya po yung donor. Yung donor ng mga eyeglasses, okay, para sa ating Team Philippines. We have also Dr. Annilyn Cruz, board member ng FDM Care Research and Training Institute, and Dr. Noel Paed. Yes, welcome to the PSA Forum. Nice to have you here. May we have the initial and opening remarks of Dr. Tess Yambot. Yes, ma'am. Good morning po, Doc.
Good morning, everyone. We're glad to have you with us this morning. So, FDM Vision Care Research and Training Institute was created by FDM Medical Foundation Philippines. We're based in Banawe, Quezon City. And we're offering specialty courses in optometry. One of it is sports vision. The Commission on Higher Education came up with a curriculum sa optometry course wherein sports vision is one of the mandated specialty courses. And because of this, we have to get mentors from the US because we don't have specialized certified sports vision specialists in the Philippines. So last 2023, when we attended the International Congress for Behavioral Optometry in Ottawa, Canada, we met Dr. Vito Mena, and we invited him to come over the Philippines to teach our professors, our clinical instructors, and mentors on the field of sports vision. No? So we have partnered with universities. We have Central Federal University, we have National University, Mall of Asia partner with us for this specialty course. No? And then we have also the Mindanao Medical Foundation, about doctors, colleges, then the Lyceum Northwestern, and Laguna Polytechnic University partnering in this event. No? Kasi we need to train more sports vision specialists so that we have athletes that can be helped to enhance their performance. So the major goal of FEDERMUNDO Vision Care Research is to enhance the sports vision skills of athletes in order to perform to their excellence, no? Yung capability. So we hope that through this initial event, this coming April 9 and April 11, we will be able to create awareness na through sports vision skills development, the athlete will have excellence performance in sports. Thank you so much.
Ayan, at least now we have an overview of this program. Before I ask each one of you po, gusto po natin